Chandrayaan-3, the third edition of India's lunar mission, will be launched on 14th July at 2:35 p.m. from the Satish Dhawan Space Center. The third edition of the lunar mission comes around 4 years after the partial failure of the Chandrayaan-2 mission, which crash-landed on the surface of the Moon in 2019. While the mission architecture remains the same, there are some differences between the two missions. The starkest difference between the two missions is in what's being taken on board the rocket. While Chandrayaan-2 comprised of Vikram lander, Pragyan rover, and an orbiter, Chandrayaan-3 will launch with just a lander and a rover. It will use the orbiter already hovering above the Moon launched with Chandrayaan-2 for its communications and terrain mapping requirements. The new mission is being launched with lander hazard detection and avoidance cameras that will be used to coordinate with the orbiter and the mission control as the lander makes its descent approach to the surface of the Moon. While Chandrayaan-2 had just one such camera, Chandrayaan-3 will be fitted with 2 such cameras. A big difference between the two versions is that the Chandrayaan-2 orbiter was launched with an impressive list of 9 in situ instruments that are still operating in the Moon's orbit. In comparison, the propulsion module of the Chandrayaan-3 mission will have just a single instrument named Spectropolarimetry of Habitable Planet Earth or SHAPE, which will analyze the spectrum of Earth to generate data for habitable planets. Another addition to the Chandrayaan-3 mission is the Laser Retroreflector Array being sent with the lander, which is a passive experiment to understand the dynamics of the Moon system. The other 3 payloads being launched with the mission are the same as that of the Vikram lander on Chandrayaan-2. The primary objective will be to demonstrate soft landing capability on the Moon, and the mission's success will make India only the 4th country in the world to have that ability.